I'm Brya. I decided to see Eugina or Liberty because I was feeling stuck in my life. I was feeling stuck in some old patterns, especially showing up in relationships where I was a real people pleaser, and how that manifested was that I was overgiving in relationships that weren't feeding me, and I ran myself into the ground and felt like my self-esteem was getting lower and lower, and felt like I wasn't even worthy of receiving love and attention and care. And I found it hard to ask for what I wanted, what I truly desired. And that pattern showed up in other areas too, in my work and work relationships. So I came to Eugina. I already knew her and really trusted her as a person and trusted her approach and all her experience. And she guided me through a really deep process of uncovering some old core beliefs that were still active in my life. And it was a really powerful process and shocking at times to see what some of those beliefs were that I was operating from. And she helped me unpack them and release them and replace them with much better beliefs that are much more supportive of the kind of life I want to live and how I want to experience myself in the world and experience my life. And one profound example of a change that I've experienced in this past week, since our session, is in lovemaking with a partner, where I was able to ask for what I really wanted and ask for more romanticness and more juiciness and more care, more aftercare, and able to say no to certain things I didn't want. And the effect was amazing lovemaking, the best lovemaking I've ever had. And I just felt so radiant and so ecstatic the next day for days after, and so empowered. I realized, wow, I can do this. I can actually say and express what I want, and I will receive. And if I don't receive, then I'm with the wrong person. So it's been really a big epiphany for me, and super empowering and energizing and revitalizing. And all the core beliefs that I worked on changing and am now integrating and anchoring into my life, I can see their effect day by day. I can see that I'm more open to new possibilities in my life, that I don't need to work so hard, and life doesn't need to be a struggle. It can be fun. I can choose to do things that I, in my core, feel are fun and exciting. And so I'm waking up with more enthusiasm, more energy, and feeling more self-love and more juiciness. So it's really amazing, just after 1 week of working with Eugina, how it's gotten the ball rolling and removed some of those really sticky old patterns. And I'm just super excited by the progress. And I really recommend this work. I really recommend working with Eugina. She's an amazing woman. She practices what she preaches. She's gone so deep in herself, and she is such a wise and patient guide, and a lot of fun too. So yeah, I recommend seeing her for whatever area you feel stuck in your life. So whether you're feeling stuck with old patterns related to your work or your relationships or your love life, your sex life, she can help you through it. So go for it.